See this person here, he left their car out in the street. I don't understand that. So close to a stop sign too. The plow has to go all the way around it. So, let me take a ride down the street here. This is the way to Route 9 here, on Taylor Street. They did a fairly good job plowing our streets here in Little Egg Harbor. I must hand it to the road crew, Ocean County and Little Egg Harbor Township. They do a great job. I'm gonna have to turn on the blower. It's gonna be a little loud here. So this is Route 9. This is the main artery through town. Coming up to the traffic light with McDonald's there. McDonald's drive-thru is closed today. This is Gifford Town Lane. This is the way to the high school. Blinking light here at Stage and I should wipe off the lens. But I don't have a cloth with me. So you're just gonna have to live with those spots on the picture. Another person shoveling out their drive. Oh, and here comes one of our plows. What? You got the plow up? I can't understand that. Oh, it's an Ocean County plow, so this is not an Ocean County road, so they're not going to plow it. They're going to drive down the road, but they're not going to plow it. That was like a Little Egg Harbor dump truck there. No, it was an Ocean County Park Services. And they're out there with a plow too. We're very fortunate to be living in a town where they do try to keep our access to hospitals and fire and police open. This one's going to stop for a nice picturesque look here. And that's the look they want to get right there, if you can see it. This is Nugenttown Road. And It runs out to Route 539 and down to the high school, and the artery that I took, Giffordtown Lane, will take you back out to Route 9. There's also Otis Bog that will take you out to Route 9, a little further south. Coming up to the traffic lights at Route 539. Red light. We're allowed to make rights on a red light in New Jersey, as long as we come to a complete stop and look for any oncoming traffic. So this road's not bad at all. Looks like we have yet another plow out here. No, that's a 18-wheeler. Don't know where he's going. It's a wrecker for people like myself who didn't heed the warning to stay inside and carelessly slammed into something. The wrecker guy is out there to pick up the parts. There's our church coming up on the right-hand side, and parking lot on the one side's cleared, and looks like the parking lot on the other side's cleared too. So it looks like we can have services tomorrow, God willing. There's the traffic light here for Route 9. We're in the center of town of Tuckerton. There's the lake. Let's I don't even see the ducks out there. So there's some people walking along Route 9. No sense in walking on the sidewalk since nobody plows them. We're forced to walk out here on the streets. There's our friendly Indian there with the Red Man's Club. Looks like people aren't even going out for a beer. There's Doyle's Poorhouse, and it does look like it's pretty well closed. Taylor, and go home and finish doing that driveway. There's a plow doing the Bell telephone. It's now called Verizon. Zero visibility to some points. I think Atlantic City claimed on the Weather Channel they had a half a mile of visibility, and that's probably about what we have here. Not whiteout conditions. My wife is still shoveling. Wow. All right, that's it.